If you're on the hunt for the best robot vacuum to make your life easier, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 robot vacuums of 2023 based on their price, performance, and suitability for different situations. We've included all the essential information to help you make an informed decision, and you can find links to purchase these products in the description box below. 5. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Roborock is one of the most popular robot vacuum brands on Amazon, and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a great example of what the company offers. The S8 Pro Ultra is capable of vacuuming, mopping, self-emptying, and self-cleaning its mop pads. While atop our robot vacuum obstacle course, the S8 picked up an average of 8.5 grams of debris. That puts it slightly above average but behind the pack compared to similarly priced models. The trend continued with its mopping abilities. The S8 can dust well, but when stuck on stains proved a little too much. Where the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra stumbled the most was with some of its promises. Roborock advertises that the S8 can avoid common household hazards like pet accidents. However, when we put this claim to the test, this robot failed miserably, making a huge mess for us to clean up. Pros: good navigation, can self-empty and wash on mop pads. Cons: middling cleaning performance, doesn't avoid pet accidents. 4. Greenworks GRV-5011. Greenworks is better known for lawn care products. However, the company also makes a mean, but, disappointingly, not green, robot vacuum and mop in the GRV-5011. During testing, the data showed that the GRV-5011 is much better at vacuuming than mopping. Its 8.0 PA motor picked up 9.2 grams of debris per run on our obstacle course. The GRV-5011 is capable of self-emptying, placing the contents of its dustbin into a self-sealing bag. Its ability to mop lags a little behind its vacuuming prowess. For example, when we use the mop function to clean up baby powder on laminate hardwood, the GRV-5011 left streaks. Even though the mop was slightly below average for the price, we appreciate the smart mapping features. The companion app is also surprisingly comprehensive for a company specializing in yard equipment. Pros: good navigation, comprehensive app, self-emptying. Cons: average mop, climbing. 3. Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus, best for pet owners. The Ecovacs designed the N10 Plus for pet owners. We put the N10 Plus to the test by placing it on a carpeted platform covered in Bernese Mountain Dog hair, and this robot dealt with it in stride. The pet hair did not become clogged in the vacuum or wound around the main brush head. The N10 also has an auto-emptying base, where the contents of the dustbin get placed in a self-sealing bag. The N10 bags are treated with several antibacterial substances to help cut back on odors. The 11 filter is rated for anything larger than 300 microns and treated with the same antibacterial spray. During test runs, the N10 picked up 10 grams of debris per cleaning cycle. This robot vacuum and mop offers above-average performance for its feature set and price point. However, the mopping results enthuse dust less. The N10 is good at removing dust from hardwood but not stains. For the best robot vacuum and mop that also helps deal with odor, the Ecovacs N10 is worth checking out. Pros: good vacuum, odor control, comprehensive app. Cons: average mop, occasionally gets stuck too. Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni, best upgrade. The Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is one of the best robot vacuums and mops with all the bells and whistles. The marquee takeaway is that the Omni cleans well but also self-empties and cleans its mop pads. During our vacuuming tests, The Omni impressively picked up 11 grams of debris on our obstacle course. It also aced our mopping test, cleaning up chocolate syrup from linoleum flooring. After a cleaning cycle, the Omni returned to its base and emptied the contents of its dustbin into a self-sealing bag. It also rinsed out its mop pads with water from a clean tank and suctioned the dirty water into a separate water tank. It can store dirty water for up to a month. And in our opinion, the more automated the robot, the better. The Omni boasts beneficial smart features, like the ability to map your home. For example, you can direct where and when to clean in the companion app or via voice assistants, like Alexa or Google. The large dock, which measures 17x 17.5x 22.75 WXDXH, is one reason the Omni isn't our one pick. Also, the mop pads have the potential to drag across thick carpets and rugs. However, if you don't have many rugs and don't mind the large base, we think the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni makes a fantastic robot vacuum and mop floor cleaner. Pros: self-empties, mops and vacuums, cleaning performance, smart features. Cons: needs lots of floor space. 1. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Best overall, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus combo has a lot going for it. Most importantly, it cleans your floors well and is easy to use. First off, the combo excels at vacuuming debris. During testing, it picked up an average of 9.85 grams per run, which places it at the top tier of all robot vacuums we've tested. Its mop is also exceptional. Most other robots with mop attachments have the potential to drag them across carpets. The combo solves this problem by having the mop flip onto its stop side when it detects carpet, meaning it will avoid carpeted areas. iRobot also engineered the J7 Plus combo with useful features, like the ability to self-empty. When the combo finishes cleaning, a secondary vacuum in the dock suctions everything from the dustbin and places it into a self-sealing bag that can hold up to 60 days worth of debris. The J7 Plus combo smarts are what makes it stand out amongst the competition. iRobot invested a lot in machine learning and navigation. The company placed a forward-facing camera on this robot, meaning it deftly avoids obstacles like power cables and pet accidents. This is just one of many great smart features the J7 Plus combo offers. For the best robot vacuums and mops, you can't go wrong with the iRobot J7 Plus combo. Pros: excellent vacuuming, retractable mop, self-emptying. Cons: average mopping. That concludes our list of the top 5 robot vacuums of 2023. Each of these robot vacuums offers unique features and capabilities, so consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.